I recently had the best chicken over rice in Miami at DCG, and now I'm craving it again, so let's make it up. I'll start with some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and marinate with garlic, ground coriander, smoked paprika, tandoori masala, cumin, Middle Eastern 7-spice, black pepper, white pepper, salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and plain yogurt. Massage that all in and let it marinate for as long as you want. The white sauce, combine mayonnaise, yogurt, a garlic clove, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and blend that up using an immersion blend. For the rice, go in with some ghee, chicken bouillon, 7-spice, cardamom pods, wash and drain basmati rice, add water, salt, cover, and let it simmer on low for about 15 minutes. I also sear the chicken in some ghee until it is golden on both sides. Take that out of the pan and then chop it up into these rough cubes, then add it back to the pan on a high heat for a couple more minutes with a little more tandoori spice for added color and flavor. You have to serve this with a little lettuce, tomato, cucumber salad on the side, and drench it in some white sauce, add some hot sauce, fresh parsley, and enjoy.